Hi, this is Eloise Teemus from Herbal Healing. Today I'm going to talk to you about the grounded blend. So this is a therapeutic blend of essential oils that are designed to help you get grounded. And what I mean by that, it's formulated for you to actually feel balanced and centered, especially at emotionally imbalancing times when you're feeling overwhelmed or you're feeling overloaded. The essential blends in here, or the oils in here, are cedarwood, they are black spruce, Scotch pine, and the top note is bergamot. Woody, grounding, but yet still uplifting with the bergamot. Beautiful. I would highly recommend this if you want to feel calm and centered. It instills a sense of rootedness in your system, and then it's perfect when you are coming out the end of a long yoga session, or definitely something you want to inhale when you've come out of meditation. Really brings you back into your body quickly and just centers and balances you. The grounded blend, wouldn't live without it. Highly recommend it. Thanks. This is Eloise. See you next time.